Hi guys, welcome again to another video, and today I want to share with you how you can wipe down your kids activity book. This used to be my firstborn book. Now I'm gonna use it for my second child, and I don't want to buy a new book. So what you need is a nail polish remover, just a normal nail polish remover. I used a piece of, you can use a piece of cloth. I use the toilet tissue over here or any tissue. And you can just wipe it, and it comes really easy. Some marks, because they're a bit older, I think the book is like 4 years older, or I don't know, 3 years older. So some of the marks, they're really stuck over there, but you can use it. As you can see, it's coming out. You can use a very good amount of the nail polish, because sometimes if you take it, because it's evaporate very quickly, so you just have to add a bit more. As you can see, it comes out very quickly and very easily. Not quickly, some of the marks can come out quickly if they're not too they're not too stuck together, but for this part there are some bits that are like very hard to come out, so I had to use more of the nail polish remover. As you can see, everything now is coming out, and this is like a 4 years or 3 years book that my firstborn used, and now I want to use it for my secondborn. You can see everything is coming out on the tissue. You can use anything, a toilet tissue, kitchen towel tissue, a cloth, anything that you have. And I'm gonna go ahead and clean this side. As you can see, this side, how it comes out very easily. The mark, which were very hard, I think my firstborn maybe used the marker maybe 2 or 3 times. That's why it was a bit harder, but as you can see, they come out very quickly and very easily. I'm sorry you guys, I was using one of my hands, that's why the video is a bit shaky, because I had to use the other hand to hold the phone, and the other end to wipe the book. But everything came out nicely, and now it's like nice and clean. So please guys, if you like this video, you can share to your friends, and it's goodbye for now.